Hey, welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you how to recover Instagram deleted chat of blocked account. So, click on Safari and search Instagram. Go to More and then click Settings. Now click on See More in Account Center. Click on Your Information and then click on Download Your Information. Click on Download or Transfer Information. Select your account and now click on Some of your information. Click on Messages and then click on Download to device. Create file. That's it. You will receive your information via email. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like this video.